Hey guys, welcome back to Tin Cup Outdoors. Today we are headed out to White Rock Mountain. It's a little bit cold out. The leaves are mostly on the ground, but we're gonna go out and see what we can't find for an adventure. We're headed out to the Devil's Canyon. It's a trail that's just short of the White Mountain campground. It's like an hour closer, so we're just gonna stop and camp out at the trailhead. I guess on I-Overland there's a bunch of sites along the forest road, so we'll just find one and camp out the night. Just made our way into the Ozark National Forest, making our way up to the Devil's Canyon trailhead. There's a lot of campsites along that road. We just made it down the end of this service road, and it ended in a little campsite with a fire ring and pretty nice little clearing down here, but the road to get here was crazy rough. We're gonna go for a little walk and try and see if we can't find the canyon and maybe the waterfall around here, and then we might go up the road a little bit just to show you how steep that was. So it looks like they closed down the rest of the road that leads to the canyon because of water erosion, and then people making tracks and stuff around the water like this here. That puddle's probably 3 foot deep in the center, so I definitely see why they closed this off, to try and get some erosion and fix some of the water damage problems. But we don't mind a little extra hike. Wow, that is steep. Whoa, deep fall. All right, say bye. Bye. In the water. Want your chair? Now don't go thinking I started this thing with one match and a bundle of twigs, because I definitely did not. I've learned to cheat. Hopefully that gave you a little bit of a perspective on how steep this hill is. Just made it to camp tonight, and unfortunately, after talking to the caretaker, they are booked solid all weekend. Kinda hard to believe. It's 10 o'clock now and there's not a single person here. So I think we're gonna go hang out by the cliffs and maybe cook a little breakfast. All right, I think that's about done. You hungry? You're very hungry. What you got there? Got a little candy stick? Yum. Oh, you picked up a sticker? There we go. Here's just another example of the sites that are along the road. This was probably 100 foot down a little side road. Just cruising down another very bumpy Forest Service road. Looking for another campsite. I don't think we're gonna find one, so I'll probably turn around here in another mile or so. But it would be cool to be somewhere that we could go for a little hike. It's I haven't been able to find anything really lately, so hopefully there's something down here. Before we give up on finding the trailhead to get to those waterfalls, we're just gonna walk into the woods and see if we can't find something. Me and Grayson are trying to hike down to the 100 hidden waterfalls, and it is getting steeper and steeper as we go. Well, this is as far as we're getting. It's getting a little steep down there. Oh my gosh, this is a steep hill. This is a mistake, Grayson. Yeah.
Yeah.
At some point or another, this is what every one of our hikes turns into. Me just carrying Grayson while he points out things that we see. Right, buddy?
Yeah.
Be quiet. Now we're gonna head back to that campsite and set up camp. Start cooking some dinner and hang out for the rest of the night. Should be pretty good. So I wasn't planning on staying at this campsite, but I didn't like the other ones quite as much. This one's right off the main road and it's super flat. It's kind of up on this ridge, so we'll be able to get a little bit of a sunset, and then we should get a sunrise tomorrow morning. And that means we won't be in a valley waiting for the sun to come up until noon. Good job. Just for those wondering, it was a very dull axe. I don't think he could cut himself if he tried. Just made it out to the Sasquatch Sanctuary Cave trailhead. It's maybe a half-mile walk out there. So we are gonna go check it out. Well, I think we got bamboozled again. We parked at the Sasquatch Cave trailhead and we followed the trail. We saw a couple signs for it, and then the last sign just told us to follow the dry creek bed, which, if you can see, it's pretty steep. Watch your head.
Yeah.
Kind of walking through some spider webs.
Yeah.
Yeah. We are headed out of here now, and probably just gonna head home since he is about due for nap time. Hey guys, thanks for watching the trip. Me and Grayson had a blast. The Ozark National Forest is definitely a pretty good forest to come to. We've never camped up here before, but I don't think this is gonna be our last trip. That's it for this trip, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the next videos. We're still working on that TDI swap for the 81 Westie, but we've got a couple other things to do before that, so the videos might be a little delayed.